It's Chris Owen from the Gold Coast. Now that I've done all the shitty cuts, and they're good, they're nice. Now it's just I've got one there, but yeah, it's easy. Now we're just slapping tiles up on the wall. So yeah, it's the easy part. All the hard stuff's done. DIYs. I always spread my tile. I never spread the wall. I reckon it's too messy. Spread your tile, guys. A lot less mess. Gonna put on some clips. It's always a 12mm notch that I use. Beauty boy. I like it a lot. Yeah, it's not so bad, it's not so hot. In the summer, if you spread your wall, it goes off by the time you even get the tiles on. It's all too hot, so when you're spreading glue on your tile, it hasn't got a chance to skin. What I mean by that is when you spread a wall, it starts drying and it forms a bit of a skin. So when your tile goes onto the glue, it's already, the face of the glue is already sort of drying and it doesn't stick to the tile. That's why in some demolition videos the tiles just peel off the wall and the glue is still on the wall, but all the tiles just fall off and there's no glue on the back of the tile. That's the reason for it. It's skinned. That's what it means by the way I say that it's skinned. That's what I mean. A little bit of information there. Okay, everyone. I have a full tile that goes to the ceiling. I like that a lot. Bloody beautiful. Okay, everyone. I'll see you soon. See ya. Give us a thumbs up. Poke the subscribe button. Thanks. See ya. Bye.